Let me ask you one simple question, and answer it in your head. When someone speaks to you in English, do you understand? But when it's your turn to reply, do you feel your mind go blank, your heart beat faster, and your mouth become too slow? And after that moment, do you get mad at yourself? Do you think, I could have said that? Then you promise to practice, and 3 days later you stop, because you are tired, busy, or discouraged. If that is you, stay here, because today we will not give you a heavy list that crushes you. We will give you a light, clear, practical method, so you can speak in real life without panic, and most importantly, without quitting. Welcome to English Simplified, the podcast where English becomes simpler, slower, and more useful, so you can move forward with calm confidence, even if you are a beginner. We're delighted to be back with you in this new year listening to our podcast, and we already value your presence. My name is Alex, and here we are not trying to impress. We are trying to be understood, and to feel stable when we open our mouth. In this episode, we will work like calm people. You will hear essential sentences, you will repeat them, you will see them in mini dialogues, and you will leave with a simple system to reuse them all week. The goal is clear: less stress, more consistency, and a voice that comes out, even when life is busy.
Hi Alex, hi everyone, I'm Laura, and I want to give you the rule of the game, because without a rule, you listen, you enjoy, then you forget. Today we will not memorize like school, we will train a reflex, listen, repeat, use. Each sentence will come with a situation, then we will do guided repetition, and you have one job: speak out loud, gently, imperfectly, because that is how your brain learns to pull words out at the right time. And if you feel pressure rising, breathe, slow down, and return, because in English Simplified, calm is not just a style, it is a strategy.
We start with the most common situation: greeting people, opening a conversation, and not freezing on the first word. You will hear 10 sentences, and you can use them everywhere. At work, on the street, at school, on a call, or even in a message. Sentence 1, Hi, how's your day going? And you can answer simply, It's going well, thanks. Sentence 2, Nice to see you again. Possible answer, Nice to see you too. Sentence 3, What have you been up to? Answer, Not much, just working and resting. Sentence 4, How have things been lately? Answer, Pretty good, just busy. Sentence 5, Do you want to sit here? Answer, Sure, thank you. Sentence 6, Sorry, could you say that again? Answer, Of course, no problem. Sentence 7, I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. Answer, That's totally fine. Sentence 8, Give me 1 second. I'm thinking. Answer, Take your time. Sentence 9, It was nice talking to you. Answer, Yes, really nice. Sentence 10, Let's talk again soon. Answer, Yes, message me anytime. Now a mini dialogue. Listen first. Hi, how's your day going? It's going well, thanks. I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. That's totally fine. Take your time. It was nice talking to you. Yes, really nice. And now we shadow, slowly, sentence by sentence. Hi, how's your day going? I'm still learning English, so I speak slowly. Give me 1 second. I'm thinking. Sorry, could you say that again? It was nice talking to you. When you're in a store, at a market, or for a service. Here, we want 3 things. Be polite, ask the right questions, and leave without awkwardness if you don't want to buy. Sentence 1. Could you help me with this? Answer, sure, what do you need? Sentence 2. How much is this? Answer, it's $20. Sentence 3. Do you have this in a different size? Answer, yes, we have medium and large. Sentence 4. Do you have this in another color? Answer, yes, we have blue and black. Sentence 5. Can I try it on? Answer, yes, the fitting room is there. Sentence 6. Is there a warranty? Answer, yes, 1 year. Sentence 7. Can I return it if it doesn't fit? Answer, yes, within 14 days. Sentence 8. That's a bit over my budget. Answer, we have a cheaper option. Sentence 9. I'll think about it and come back. Answer, no problem. Sentence 10. I'll leave it. Thank you. Answer, have a nice day. Mini dialogue. How much is this? It's $20. That's a bit over my budget. We have a cheaper option. I'll think about it and come back. No problem. Shadowing. How much is this? That's a bit over my budget. Can I return it if it doesn't fit? I'll think about it and come back. I'll leave it, thank you.
In a cafe or restaurant, many people feel stress because they want to speak fast, but you don't need speed, you need clarity. Sentence 1. Could we get a table for 2, please? Answer, of course, right this way. Sentence 2. Could we sit by the window if possible? Answer, yes, we can. Sentence 3. I'll have the chicken, please. Answer, great choice. Sentence 4. Could you give us a few more minutes? Answer, sure, take your time. Sentence 5. Could I get this to go? Answer, yes, no problem. Sentence 6. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. Answer, I'm sorry, I'll fix it. Sentence 7. Is service included? Answer, yes, it's included. Sentence 8. I have an allergy, does this contain nuts? Answer, no, it doesn't. Sentence 9. Everything was delicious, thank you. Answer, thank you so much. Sentence 10. Could we get separate checks? Answer, yes, of course. Mini dialogue, could you give us a few more minutes? Sure, take your time. I'll have the chicken, please. Perfect. Everything was delicious, thank you. Thank you so much. Shadowing, could we get a table for 2, please? Could you give us a few more minutes? Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. Is service included? Everything was delicious, thank you. At work, fear often comes from a false idea. I must speak like a native, but in reality, people mainly want you to be clear, polite, and reliable. Sentence 1. Just to confirm, we're meeting at 2, right? Answer, yes, 2 p.m. Sentence 2. Could you clarify what you mean? Answer, sure, I mean. Sentence 3. Let me check and get back to you. Answer, sounds good. Sentence 4. I'm afraid I can't make it today. Answer, no worries. Sentence 5. Can we reschedule for tomorrow? Answer, yes, that works. Sentence 6. I'll send you an update by email. Answer, thank you. Sentence 7. That's a great point. I didn't think of it that way. Answer, glad it helps. Sentence 8. Let's park that topic for now. Answer, okay, we'll revisit it. Sentence 9. I can take the lead on this. Answer. Great, go ahead. Sentence 10. Thanks for your time, I appreciate it. Answer, you're welcome. Mini dialogue. Could you clarify what you mean? Sure, I mean we should start earlier. Let me check and get back to you. Sounds good. Shadowing. Just to confirm, we're meeting at 2, right? Let me check and get back to you. I'm afraid I can't make it today. Can we reschedule for tomorrow? Thanks for your time, I appreciate it.
Here we remove a big stress. Declining without being cold, accepting without confusion, and offering another option without panic. Sentence 1. Are you free this weekend? Answer, yes, I'm free on Saturday. Sentence 2. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? Answer, yes, that would be nice. Sentence 3. Let me check my calendar. Answer, sure, take your time. Sentence 4. I can't today, but maybe tomorrow. Answer, tomorrow works. Sentence 5. I'm not really feeling up to it today. Answer, no problem, rest. Sentence 6. Can we push it back a bit? Answer, yes, let's do it later. Sentence 7. Let's decide tomorrow. Answer, okay, message me. Sentence 8. I might have to take a rain check. Answer, sure, another time. Sentence 9. That sounds good to me. Answer, great. Sentence 10. Thanks for inviting me. Answer, of course. Mini dialogue. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? Yes, that would be nice. Let me check my calendar. Sure, take your time. I can't today, but maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow works. Shadowing. Are you free this weekend? Let me check my calendar. I might have to take a rain check. I'm not really feeling up to it today. Thanks for inviting me. When you are outside, stress can rise fast, because you don't have time to think for long, so we use short, clean, polite sentences. Sentence 1. Excuse me, could you help me? Answer, yes, sure. Sentence 2. Where is the nearest bus stop? Answer, it's over there. Sentence 3. Could you show me on the map? Answer, yes, here. Sentence 4. I think I'm lost. Answer, don't worry. Sentence 5. Could you speak a little slower, please? Answer, of course. Sentence 6. I don't understand. Sorry. Answer, that's okay. Sentence 7. Thank you, I really appreciate it. Answer, you're welcome. Sentence 8. Is it safe to walk there? Answer, yes, it's safe. Sentence 9. How long does it take? Answer, about 10 minutes. Sentence 10. Have a great day. Answer, you too. Mini dialogue. Excuse me, could you help me? Yes, sure. Where is the nearest bus stop? It's over there. Could you show me on the map? Yes, here. Shadowing. Excuse me, could you help me? Could you speak a little slower, please? I think I'm lost. How long does it take? Thank you, I really appreciate it. We add one bonus situation, because in 2026 you are not only face-to-face, you are also on the phone, in voice notes, or in texts, and that is where stress can come back, because you don't have body language to help you. Sentence 1. Hi, is this a good time? Answer, yes, I have a minute. Sentence 2. Sorry, I missed your call. Answer, no worries. Sentence 3. Can I call you back in 10 minutes? Answer, sure, no problem. Sentence 4. The connection is bad. Can you hear me? Answer, yes, but it's a little unclear. Sentence 5. Could you repeat the last part? Answer, yes, I said. Sentence 6. Let me send you a message. Answer, perfect, thank you. Sentence 7. I'll reply as soon as I can. Answer, take your time. Sentence 8. I'm in a meeting right now. Answer, okay, talk later. Sentence 9. What's the main point? Answer, the main point is. Sentence 10. Thanks for checking in. Answer, anytime. Mini dialogue. Hi, is this a good time? Yes, I have a minute. The connection is bad. Could you repeat the last part? Yes, I said I'll send you a message. Perfect, thank you. Shadowing. Can I call you back in 10 minutes? I'm in a meeting right now. Let me send you a message. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for checking in. Now we return to the real problem. You can know 100 sentences and still freeze if you don't train them inside a simple system. So here is your English Simplified system for this week. And you don't need huge time. 10 minutes a day, and that's it. First minute, you listen to one situation. Second minute, you repeat 2 sentences. Then you choose one sentence and you use it by speaking about your day, even alone, even in your room, because your voice must get used to coming out. And when you miss a day, you don't punish yourself, you return the next day, because consistency is not an emotion, it is a habit you protect. We finish with a test, and you do it in real time. I say the situation and you answer with one English sentence, even if it's slow. Situation 1. You want to ask to repeat. Answer, sorry, could you say that again? Situation 2. You want to decline politely. Answer, I'm not really feeling up to it today. Situation 3. You want to order. Answer, I'll have the chicken, please. Situation 4. You want to confirm a meeting. Answer, just to confirm, we're meeting at 2, right? Situation 5. You want to ask for help. Answer, excuse me, could you help me? If you answered at least one, you are already winning, because you did the most important move, you spoke.
You don't need to be perfect to be confident, you need to be present, and to return again and again without fighting yourself. If this episode helped you, save it like a practice session, come back tomorrow, and repeat the same sentences, because calm repetition builds real fluency. And if you want to walk with us all year, follow the podcast, simply, so you don't have to search, and so your system stays easy. Thank you for being here, and welcome to your English that is clearer, calmer, and more stable.